Okay, this is a list of the hardware that you're going to need for this guitar. It's best to get all of this together in the beginning so that you know exactly what measurements you need for the tuners and any other of these parts that you need to make. This way you've kind of made all your decisions from the start. And this is a list of the wood that will make up the guitar. Just go through here and make sure that whether you're buying sets or resawing wood that you've got everything and it's to the right dimension. Okay, we start the guitar by taking a piece of cardstock and drawing out the body template that you see in the plans. Note the cutaway, and this is our center line. The center line is very important. And then we're going to cut out these pieces. Just going to use a regular X-Acto knife. Any kind of good sharp razor knife would do. And these are the cuts that we make. The center line, the outside of the body, and this is the cutaway. Now this top piece, be sure and keep, as you're going to need it to make the mold so that you can curve that piece of the side to that shape. Then there's your interior body piece. And this is all the pieces together. Now we're going to move on to the molds. These are just 4 pieces of some scrap plywood. This is actually some 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter Luan. You'll see we've got 4 of them cut to the same size. You want them just a little longer and a little wider than the guitar is going to be. Now here I'm going to stack 2 together. Line up that center edge. And I'm going to take the interior body piece we just cut out. I'm going to draw the outline of that. And then I'm going to line up the remaining 2 pieces for the other side and put the edges together. Make sure they line up, and then I'm going to mark where the template will meet the other side, because at some points in this we will clamp these 2 together. So you want to make sure that they're even on the outsides and that the templates line up. And here again, just make your outline and then clamp these 2 together and cut out that shape. And now you can see we're going to take some blocks. This is just a standard 1x4. It's about 2.5 centimeters by roughly 10 centimeters wide. And you want to make some little blocks to go around the inside edge, and then some longer blocks to go around the outside perimeter. And then we're going to put that other side on top there, as you can see in this finished one. And I've just glued and nailed those pieces in so that they're flush along our edges. And now you can see the 2 pieces done. See how we cut the inside shape out. Just double check you've got your shapes good. Make any adjustments you need. And then you can see we've got one for the cutaway as well. Again, just cut a little shape out to fit that template and put your blocks in there. And just make sure these blocks are wide enough that they'll cover the width of the guitar. And there's your finished molds.